Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today I'm going to be taking you through some Call of Duty Mobile Battle Royale gameplay with the LG V60 ThinQ and going to be telling you what you can expect, the type of gameplay, and then just the type of things you didn't expect before when you're considering buying the LG V60. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Before I get started here, if you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post videos. But let's dive right in. So looking at the LG V60 ThinQ, as you guys could see, the screen is very long and not quite as wide, which is the case for most phones, but this is more exaggerated. Most screens are 16 by 9, and that's the dimensions that are roughly set for videos, mostly YouTube videos, Netflix movies, Prime videos, movies, everything like that. So one tough thing you'll have to deal with is sometimes the movies or videos aren't adjusted to a 20.5 by 9 screen, so you're going to have large bezels on either side. You could choose that for gameplay, but for most games like Call of Duty Mobile, like Fortnite, they will adjust to your phone. So if you're playing on more than one device, say you're playing on a side phone and then your actual service phone, you might have to adjust your preset, your setup to play within the game, I guess. I hope I could explain that a little bit better, but that's just the way it's coming out right now. But yeah, that's one big difference you'll notice when doing gameplay on a phone that's really, really wide. So today I'm going to be taking you through a battle royale match. I'll take you through all the juicy bits. I'm not going to take you through running around. I'll show you the surround sound. One of my favorite parts, the internal audio. So you could be screaming at your brothers and sisters or at your friends and be playing Call of Duty Mobile and still only record surround sound or internal volume. And it still records as like it's amazing. Just take my word for it. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna take you into some battle royale gameplay. The only thing I dislike about this is the screen dimensions. It just makes it super difficult to work with in some areas. For me, recording video, then I gotta readjust it to 16 by 9. So do take that into account when you are buying the LG V60. But here you go. Some gameplay footage of the LG V60 and some audio. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you find this informative. If you do, once again, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more like this, hit that subscribe button.
Engaging the enemies. Using adrenaline shot now. Loading.